I guess in this video I'm going to discuss about column set in Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. So about the column sets, a column set is an untapped XML representation that combines all the sparse column. Here, this is the important point. All the sparse column of a table into a structure output. A column set is like a calculated column in the column set. So it is first point is it is a combination of a sparse column and it calculated the columns. So its column set is not physically stored in the table. A column set differ from the calculated columns in that column set is directly on updatable. Now hereafter let's understand by example. So here I'm going to create one table with the name XYZ. And here this is the ID, it's a primary key, name, here not null, here mgr, here sparse. So at here I'm using a sparse clause at there. So there I'm going to create column set. Here this is the XML tab and here column set for all sparse columns. Now let's execute here and check. So one command completed successfully. So there is a one table that created with the name XYZ. Now you can check the properties. So ID is the integer and here name. And here mgr, location, name and here state ID. So these four are sparse clause columns and here this. So it can be values can be null. Here column underscore set. So it's the here you can get information. This is the column set. Here XML. Now here after if you want to check the properties, go to properties. Here you can find is column set. Here this is a true. That means it's a enable. And here you can check the property. Here is column set. It's false. And here is sparse. It's true. Now here after I'm going to insert some records. So at your first we need to use select statement, select a star from X, Y, Z. Now here after execute that, so see there is no any record. So here not null. So ID this is the null or sparse and primary key name non-sparse and here or not null and here this is the column set. So if you try to insert some records, so there must be ID and name. Now execute that. So see the record, one row affected. Here you can check. So there I enter mgr b612 and location 270. So this is the XML column. It's generated mgr b612 location 270. It's created. Now like this you can insert multiple records. So here previously I inserted mgr location. This time I'm going to insert state name and state ID. The value is inserted. So here in 1002 name Visa. So this is the state name Karnataka and state ID. This is the display. So this is the things about sparse. And here if I'm going to make, so suppose if you make let's create one here. I'm not going to give at here as sparse. Now here after let's execute here. So command is completed successfully. Now hereafter I'm going to insert some record XYZ. Now here, so in last state ID, okay, give at here XYZ state ID. Now if you execute to insert this query on XYZ, so one row affected. Now check at here. So see, so here I'm getting only Karnataka, but I inserted state ID also. So state ID is the non-sparse column. So it's not a sparse column, so that here it's only inserted sparse. So that means at here about the column set, all the sparse column table value is a structure output. So only a sparse column value we can get the output. Others output it's a not displaying. So at here I inserted the value state ID state name. So state name at here this is the sparse. State ID is not a sparse. So here when I am clicking, so at here it's a displaying state name here. So here state ID it's now at this point. Here state ID is the newly created column, and here this is the value, but it's not under comes under column set. So these are the things about column set in Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.